हेलो एवरीवन, जैसे कि डे 7 सीरीज का आज थर्ड डे है, उसमें आप जानेंगे वाई फॉरएवर लिविंग प्रोडक्ट, द पावर ऑफ फॉरएवर इज द पावर ऑफ लव। उसमें जानेंगे आप कि फॉरएवर कंपनी स्क्रैच रिच एंड बी फ्री कंपनी है। वो मैं नहीं कहूंगा, वो गूगल आपको बताएगा कैसे। ठीक है, आप सुनिए।
Based on the image provided, the text identifies a company that is cash-rich and debt-free, with over $1.5 billion in assets, and is privately owned. This information is part of the promotional material for Forever Living Products, FLP. Company profile, Forever Living Products. Forever Living Products is a multi-billion-dollar international business established in 1978 that specializes in the production and distribution of aloe vera and bee-related products. 1. Financial stability. The company characterizes itself as being cash-rich and entirely debt-free, with assets exceeding $1.5 billion. 2. Business model. It operates as a multi-level marketing (MLM) company with more than 10 million inches Forever business owners (FBOs) worldwide. 3. Global reach. Headquartered in Scottsdale, Arizona, the company operates in over 160 countries and has reported over 40 years of continued growth. And 4. Mission. Its mission focuses on creating a profitable environment for individuals to achieve financial freedom and better health through their products and business opportunity. Key financial concepts. Understanding these terms can help clarify why a company might highlight these specific figures in their marketing. 1. Assets. These are everything a company owns, including cash, equipment, and property. Forever Living's assets include extensive aloe vera plantations and manufacturing facilities. 2. Debt-free. This means the company does not owe money to creditors, which often implies greater financial independence and stability. 3. Privately owned. Unlike publicly traded companies on a stock exchange, like those in the BSE 500, privately owned companies are not required to disclose as much financial information to the general public. And 4. Enterprise value, EV. In broader finance, this is a measure of a company's total value, often calculated by adding market capitalization and debt, then subtracting cash. Since this company is private and debt-free, its valuation would be heavily driven by its cash reserves and physical assets.
देखा कि ये गूगल बोल रहा है, और ये ओवरऑल ओल्ड उसने बताया। अभी जो मार्केट प्लेस है 168 कंट्री में वो ऑपरेटिंग है, और ऑल ओवर 46 ईयर्स ऑल ओवर कंपनी को हो चुके हैं, एंड 10 बिलियन FBO वर्ल्ड वाइड है। ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही इंफॉर्मेशन फॉरएवर के रिलेटेड मैं देता रहूंगा, और मुझे लाइक कर दीजिए, फॉलो कर दीजिए, और ऐसे ही कंपनी के साथ जुड़ना है तो मुझे कमेंट में ऑटो लिख दीजिए, तो मैं डेफिनेटली आपको कनेक्ट करूंगा।